Most common adjectives in English. Adjectives, those versatile building blocks of language, add color, texture, and depth to our writing. But with a vast vocabulary at our disposal, where do we even begin? Fear not, word enthusiasts. Today, we delve into the realm of the most common adjectives in English, revealing their power and potential in your writing journey. Beautiful. Possessing beauty. Example. She has a beautiful smile. Big. Large in size. Example. That is a big house. Small. Not large in size. Example. He has a small cat. Tall. Of great or more than average height. Example. The tree is tall. Short. Measuring little in length. Example. She is short. Long. Of considerable length. Example. He has long hair. Young. In an early stage of life or growth. Example. They are young children. Old. Having lived for a long time, not young. Example. He is an old man. Fast. Moving or able to move quickly. Example. He runs fast. Slow. Moving or operating at a low speed. Example. The turtle is slow. Happy. Feeling or showing pleasure or contentment. Example. She is happy with her job. Sad. Feeling or showing sorrow. Example. He looks sad. Angry. Feeling or showing strong annoyance, displeasure, or hostility. Example. She was angry at his behavior. Calm. Not showing or feeling nervousness, anger, or other strong emotions. Example. He remained calm during the crisis.